What's going on, guys? This is not going to be a full video. This is just going to be a quick top 5 features of the brand new M1000XR for 2024. I've got the full review coming just in a few days, but this is a little sneak peek. In no particular order, just going to start off with the looks. I think this thing just looks really, really good. It looks mean, it looks aggressive, it's got that bulky stance to it, the peaked front end, it just looks beautiful. Number 2 then is the engine in this. This thing has 201 brake horsepower. And let me tell you, when you're out riding, it feels fast. BMW made a fantastic choice for putting this engine in this platform. But remember, this is just the top 5 features. I'm not going to go into all the details. You'll have to wait and watch the full review to hear everything on this bike. So the second one being the engine and how much power this thing just puts out on the road. The third is the brakes. These brakes are phenomenal. They will get you stopped whenever you want. You see a cop car, you're doing 34, touch the brake, boom, there you are, down to 24. That's how good they are. Going straight into number 4 then is the handling of this thing. It absolutely flicks from side to side, sticks to the tarmac and just goes exactly where you want to put it. I've taken this thing through some of the twisties around this area and I can tell you it's a phenomenal handling bike. I told you this was going to be a quick video. And lastly, at number 5 then is the ergonomics. Now I'm 6'1" and this thing fits me really, really nicely. Sometimes you'll find being a bit taller, a bit bigger, you just kind of too big almost on some bikes, a little dominating, or the ergonomics of the knee, the hip and the feet position, that little triangle, you find a little bit too tight. But my legs are in a nice comfortable position, I can do plenty of miles, and in the top half it's in this really kind of relaxed neutral position, but it just means that you're just comfortable. You can just sit back and ride nice and easily, or if you actually want to cane it through the twisties, you can. Like, it's just such an easy bike to ride in an easy position to just jump on and feel comfortable. And just going back to point number 3, I think, when I was saying about the engine, this thing absolutely picks up. And then that exhaust livens up and it just all gets a little bit exciting. Well guys, I'm going to stop there. I'm not going to give you any more spoilers on the M1000XR. Remember, a full review coming very, very soon. Subscribe, hit that bell notification, and then you'll be notified when it's released. Nothing else to say, but until the next one, ride safe.